Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the bonk update. Let's actually set a little bit of my thing here, input. Right, I hope the voice is actually going in through. All right, so we've had a good holidays. We haven't seen a bad market out there, so do make sure you're on the Discord. Click on the top right of the video to get into Discord as well. So right now there is a decision, I think, that is about to come very soon for bonk here. So what I'm going to do is pretty much break down that for you as well. And I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering what's going on, Adam Coins, what's going on. This is what's going on. You have a support line here, and you also have a trend line right over there. Do you see that? Right over here, right? So we have a junction and a meeting junction here, or known as the apex, called the apex, and that is until 29 of December. Okay, so until 29 of December you should be getting in a pop. So let's look at it this way. Come up like this. Now if you do break above, you could have very good chances of moving up to 200,000, which is going to be a small, I think 10% move up. So from there to there, it's actually 15%. Okay, so 15% move to the upside. Or if you pop down, then here's your next technical target, and that's going to be from there to there. And I personally kind of see it drop into 146,000. Now, because for some reason I've been telling you for quite a long time that we may see 150 or 146, we actually might just see it dropping down here. And I always say that there are 3 to 4 different scenarios, but I think I'm just going to tell you tomorrow in tomorrow's update. So do make sure you're subscribing and following the channel. I'm just in a little bit of a hurry right now, but I'm going to take some time tomorrow to tell you what's up with the breakout. So if you're new, do make sure you're following, as you may never see the channel again. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.